Daring rescue operation by Chief Minister Sawant and Minister Subhash Faldesai after a truck filled with people falls down a deep gorge at Padi Quepem. Sawant and Faldesai get down in the valley and assist in the rescue of 13 people. One woman loses life. Sawant and Faldesai were returning from a function and upon noticing the accident, stopped the convoy to help the injured. The driver lost control over the wheels following which the truck turned and fell into the valley, a senior police official said, adding the victims got trapped inside the vehicle. One person died on the spot while 13 others, including 5 children, as many men and 3 women, were seriously injured, he said. CM Sawant and the minister, who were passing by the road, joined the rescue work along with the police, fire and emergency services personnel and locals. The injured persons were pulled out from the truck and rushed to the Goa Medical College and Hospital near Panaji, the police added. Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant and Social Welfare Minister Subhash Faldesai, who were passing by the road after a poll campaign, joined the rescue work along with locals. The victims were sitting on the truck's carrier. The driver lost control over the wheels following which the truck turned turtle and fell into the valley, a senior police official said, adding the victims got trapped inside the vehicle. One person died on the spot while 13 others, including 5 children, as many men and 3 women, were seriously injured, he said. CM Sawant and the minister, who were passing by the road, joined the rescue work along with the police, fire and emergency services personnel and locals. The injured persons were pulled out from the truck and rushed to the Goa Medical College and Hospital near Panaji, the police added.
सारखे हात घाल मानेक हात घाल मानेक हात घाल तेवढ्यान घाले स्ट्रेचर तसंच रे स्ट्रेचर सुभाषा वाटेन ते स्ट्रेचर सरा वाटेन ते सुभाष जाऊ रे पायात हात घालले होतो पायात हात घाल चल चल
चौकस आणि दोघां भुरग्या बसले बसले Koy